Here's a Bitcoin crypto update. It is the morning of November 26th, and Bitcoin did this, and it's dropped about 8% from $99,000 all the way down to about $91,700. You guys really think that Bitcoin was gonna get through $100,000 without putting up a fight first? Bitcoin obviously got rejected off of $100,000, but what are the next targets? The next logical targets are about $77,000 to $80,000, and that's about a 15 to 20% drop from current prices. But that right there is a CME gap, and these fill 80 to 85% of the time. So you can see Bitcoin is sitting right at a support, but if we break through that, there's a high likelihood that it drops another 15% to those prices, $77,000 to $80,000. There's a thick volume node right here acting as a support, but if we break through that, there is nothing until about $77,000 to $73,000. And what is at $73,000? Well, that is a major support level from the last run that Bitcoin did earlier this year. Is there a chance that the Bitcoin dip could be over? Yes, there always is that chance, but I wouldn't put my money on it. Now, am I worried about this dip? Not in the slightest. You see, 20 to 30 to 40% dips are normal for Bitcoin and crypto in a bull run. This is the 2021 bull run. We have a 20% dip, 17% dip, 12% dip, and a 30% dip. These dips are normal corrections and are healthy for the markets, especially when Bitcoin has been on a tear that it has been. So I am not selling any of my altcoins right now. I have taken maybe 5% profits at the top so that I could have some cash on hand for this dip that I knew was coming. And I mentioned this in a video that I posted last week. But overall, this dip doesn't bother me. As of right now, the dip that we're getting is for buying. Of course, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, the main reason that I'm not selling my crypto right now is because of the Bitcoin dominance. Altcoins have been moving while Bitcoin dominance has been going up, and obviously it's because Bitcoin has been going up with it, so the altcoins are following Bitcoin. But the altcoins have been moving the way they have been 3, 4, 5x's for large caps like Cardano, XRP, etc., with the Bitcoin dominance staying at 60%. Once the Bitcoin dominance starts to collapse down to 54, 50%, 45, 40%, that is the real alt season. And that is why I am still in the market, and that is why I am still buying up these dips, because that has not happened yet. So that's my outlook on the market right now. If you want to stay up to date, make sure to like and follow. Remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should do your own research. Like and follow to stay updated.